Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do an updated wash and go routine using one product, which is Aunt Jackie's No Shrink Curl Gel. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so my hair has already been washed and conditioned, so I'll start and section it off. Again, I'm using one styler, which is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Curl Gel. So I'll go ahead and separate my hair into medium-sized sections. This gel had a really weird smell. I can't quite describe it. It wasn't quite pleasant, but I can live with it. So my hair is sectioned off. I used a dimming brush to smooth it out, and then I went ahead and applied my first layer of the gel. When I apply gel to my hair for wash and goes, I typically start at the roots and work my way to the end. It is very important to make sure you get those roots nice and sleek, because you don't want like puffy roots and like sleek ends. So make sure you coat the hair evenly and make sure you get the roots really nice from the root to the end. Next, I'll go ahead and do the exact same thing, medium-sized section. I'll use my dimming brush to make sure the hair is nice and smooth and make sure that my curls are prepped. Then I'll go ahead with my gel, smoothing it on my hair from the roots to the end, and I'll go ahead and give my hair a little bit of a scrunch. Impressed with how my hair is looking so far. I did decide to bring out my spray bottle to make sure that my hair is nice and damp. I find that I get the best results on damp hair when doing a wash and go. So again, I'm coating my hair with the gel, working it from the roots to the tips. You can see guys, just as I just layer on the gel, it's just creating a really nice wave pattern. Like it's giving my hair a nice sheen, and like the curls are just forming effortlessly. So I am not mad at this gel. I'm loving the way it looks so far. As you guys see, the wash and go process is fairly easy. You just have to know your hair and what works for your hair. But typically with curly wavy hair, especially hair similar to my texture, it's best when the hair is fully detangled. It's best when the hair is fairly damp, kind of wet, and the dimming brush works wonders to kind of get the curls forming. And then you start with your gel, working it in from the roots to the ends. From the roots to the end, guys, especially with summer coming up, you have to get those roots and make sure that your hair is evenly coated with the gel. And also use a generous amount of the gel if you need to. What I notice is as it gets warmer outside, I like to make sure that I'm layering on the product just so my curls form and just get really defined. So again, work the gel from the roots to the end, and this gel actually worked pretty good on the edges too, and you have nice defined curls, guys. Everything is looking really good so far. I'm excited to see how everything turns out. Girl, if you've been watching for this long, go ahead and join the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I just had to remind y'all to be sure to subscribe. Don't just watch and don't subscribe, okay? Guys, we're almost done, but let me just let y'all know, do not judge my eyebrows, okay? My eyebrow shop is not open yet, and you know, I'm just trying to keep it together, so just disregard my thick bushy eyebrows, okay? But yeah, continue to coat your hair with the gel from the roots to the tips. Like, if y'all don't remember nothing, make sure you really get those roots when you're doing your wash and go. It makes such a huge difference. Make sure that the gel is evenly coated throughout your hair, and just go ahead and scrunch. What I noticed with this gel is, like, as soon as I started to like work it in and layer it in my hair, my curls started forming so easy. So far I'm really loving the way my curls look. Like, I really don't have any complaints, but we'll know what's really good once this hair air dries, okay? Okay guys, so my camera went dead. So it went dead like right after I finished applying the gel. First of all, do y'all see the juicy lusciousness of what? Like, hold on, y'all know I hate my hair on my face, but the curls are looking super juicy and luscious and moisturized, okay? Like, it's looking pretty good. Again, I used the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel, and honest, girl, I ain't mad at it. It looks super pretty so far. So I don't want to touch it too much. I'll go ahead and let my hair air dry. It's really nice outside, so I'm gonna go and sit outside for a couple hours and read and just chill with my family, and I will be back in a couple hours to see how the hair is looking. And yeah, guys, so this is the final look. I let my hair fully air dry. I did not diffuse it or use the blow dryer at all because it was about 80 degrees yesterday and I was just outside, and this is how it looks like. I'm pretty impressed with the Aunt Jackie's gel. That was my first time ever using that line of products, and my curls look pretty defined. They still have a bit of crunch to them, but my hair naturally gets really big, so I'm okay with the crunch for now because it should wear off in a couple of days. But I'm super happy with the results, guys. It looks pretty bomb to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you ever tried this gel or if you plan on trying it. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And I actually was thinking about doing like a wash and go series. Maybe for my next 4 videos, I'll just do different wash and goes, trying different gels, because I like hardly ever wear my curls and I forget how bomb my hair looks when I do wash and go. So let me know what you guys think about the wash and go series. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.